Looking for the perfect way to keep your feet cozy and comfortable at home? In this video, we're highlighting the best house slippers for women, stylish, supportive, and perfect for relaxing after a long day. Let's dive in. Number 1. Everfoams House Slipper. The Everfoams house slipper stands out as an ideal option for women looking for cozy, stylish, and supportive indoor footwear. Made with a soft faux wool upper and a polar fleece lining, these slippers are perfectly suited for chilly mornings and cold winter nights. The sizing advice is especially helpful. If you have a standard foot type, your regular size will work fine, but those with wider or higher arches should go a size up for a roomier and more comfortable fit. Inside, the plush faux fur lining surrounds your feet in warmth without causing overheating. However, to maintain that softness, it's best to avoid frequent washing, which helps the slippers last longer. The high-density memory foam insole is one of the most impressive features, molding to the shape of your foot to provide all-day cushioning and support. Whether you're standing in the kitchen, relaxing with a book, or stepping outside to fetch the mail, the lightweight construction keeps your feet supported and comfortable. The durable, non-slip rubber sole ensures safety on both hardwood floors and outdoor surfaces like patios or driveways. The slippers also come in a variety of colors and sizes, which makes them an easy, thoughtful gift for loved ones on Mother's Day or other special occasions. They're particularly great for moms, grandmas, or wives who appreciate a combination of comfort, durability, and style. Overall, the Everfoams house slipper delivers excellent value for the price, providing reliable warmth, lasting support, and dependable traction. They're a solid choice for anyone looking to keep their feet comfortable through fall, winter, and early spring, earning them a well-deserved spot among the best house slippers for women. Number 2. Dearfoams House Slipper. The Dearfoams house slipper offers a luxurious experience that's perfect for women seeking both style and comfort in their indoor footwear. Crafted with 100% Australian shearling, these slippers feel indulgent from the moment you slip them on. Featured on Oprah's 2024 Mother's Day gift list as the best slippers for mom, they've earned a reputation for blending everyday luxury with practical design. The plush sheepskin naturally regulates temperature, keeping your feet warm in winter and cool in summer, making these slippers a versatile choice for year-round wear. Another standout feature is their all-natural moisture-wicking capability, which absorbs and evaporates moisture to keep feet dry and comfortable throughout the day. Designed with convenience in mind, the easy slip-on style is perfect for women with busy lifestyles, whether you're relaxing at home, heading out to the store, or running errands around town. The indoor-outdoor EVA outsoles are lightweight yet durable, offering reliable traction and stability on a variety of surfaces. This makes them suitable for quick trips outside without worrying about slipping or wearing them out too soon. The craftsmanship is excellent, with a luxurious finish that feels both cozy and durable. Available in multiple sizes and classic colors, these slippers make an elegant gift for moms, grandmas, or anyone who appreciates a little extra comfort in their daily routine. Whether you're pampering yourself or treating someone special, the Dearfoams house slipper combines top-quality materials with thoughtful design to deliver warmth, comfort, and lasting support. It's easy to see why they're considered one of the best house slippers for women available today. Number 3. Ugg House Slipper. The Ugg House Slipper is a timeless classic that continues to set the standard for premium comfort in women's footwear. Known for their signature craftsmanship and iconic design, these slippers feature a suede upper paired with a soft sheepskin collar for a touch of elegance. Inside, the 17mm sheepskin lining and insole create a plush, cloud-like feel that gently cradles your feet in warmth. The all-natural sheepskin not only insulates during cold weather, but also regulates temperature to prevent overheating, making them suitable for year-round use. The rubber outsole adds a practical element, offering excellent grip and durability whether you're relaxing indoors or stepping outside briefly. Despite their premium feel, these slippers remain lightweight and flexible, making them perfect for daily wear. Ugg's attention to detail is evident in every stitch, delivering a luxurious look and feel that stands the test of time. Available in a variety of neutral and earthy tones, these slippers easily complement loungewear or casual outfits. While they come with a higher price tag than some competitors, the quality and longevity of these slippers justify the investment. They're an especially thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions when you want to spoil or yourself with a little everyday luxury. Ugg's reputation for comfort and durability makes these slippers a dependable choice for women of all ages. Their perfect combination of warmth, support, and style easily secures them a spot among the best house slippers for women.
Number 4. Ergofoot House Slipper. The Ergofoot House Slipper is a standout option for women in need of extra foot support combined with cozy indoor footwear. These orthotic slippers are specifically designed with arch support to help realign the lower limbs, promoting better posture and reducing overpronation. This thoughtful design not only improves foot function, but can also help alleviate discomfort associated with ankle, heel, knee, and back pain. Made from premium polyester faux fur, the upper feels luxuriously soft against the skin, offering an inviting warmth during cooler months and breathable comfort during spring and autumn. The anti-slip rubber outsoles are crafted with a wave-patterned tread, providing reliable traction on a variety of surfaces both indoors and out. An especially convenient feature is the hook and loop adjustable strap, allowing for a customized fit that accommodates both narrow and wide feet. The deep heel cup offers a secure foundation, promoting better balance and stability throughout the day. These ergonomic slippers are an excellent choice for women dealing with foot issues such as plantar fasciitis, flat feet, or general discomfort from standing for long periods. Available in multiple colors and sizes, they also make a thoughtful gift for health-conscious loved ones or anyone prioritizing comfort in their daily routine. The Ergofoot House Slipper delivers a well-rounded package of orthopedic support, soft materials, and adjustable fit options, earning its place among the best house slippers for women. Number 5. Sollbeam House Slipper. The Sollbeam House Slipper is an excellent choice for women who prioritize both comfort and support in their house footwear. Made with a soft micro-terry coral fleece upper and an open-toe design, these slippers are especially well suited for warmer months but can easily transition into cooler seasons with a cozy pair of socks. The hook and loop Velcro closure offers an adjustable fit, accommodating various foot shapes including narrow, wide, or high instep feet. What truly sets these slippers apart is their focus on arch support and biomechanically contoured podiatrist-designed footbed. The deep heel cup and cushioned padding work together to distribute foot pressure evenly, providing therapeutic relief and orthotic benefits. They're ideal for women dealing with conditions such as plantar fasciitis, flat feet, heel pain, or arthritis. The high-density memory foam insole adds an extra layer of pillow-soft cushioning, ensuring that every step feels gentle and supportive. The plush micro-terry lining enhances the overall sense of coziness, while the open-toe design ensures breathability. These slippers are not just functional, but also visually appealing, available in various color options to suit different tastes. Whether you're buying them for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, the Sollbeam House Slipper delivers excellent value by combining everyday comfort, supportive structure, and orthopedic features. It's easy to see why they've earned their place among the best house slippers for women. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.